Let's keep the discussion going about what to expect for tomorrow, because last couple of weeks we have seen some pretty good moves coming in. But what's up next? To talk about that, let's welcome on board Akshay Bhagwat, Senior Vice President Derivatives Research at JM Financial Services. Akshay, thanks so much for joining us. Give us a sense of what you are penciling tomorrow's trading session to be like. Right from the opening bell, what do you expect the moves to be like? Is it going to be a better session than what we've seen today?
Good afternoon. Thanks for having me on the show. Well, a muted session to start off the week, but if you look at the short-term big trend for the market, the way we have started off for the month of December, the buying numbers are there from the FIIs in the index future segment. Even in the cash segment, you are seeing some respite in terms of the selling numbers going slow, some buying coming out in cash numbers as well. And I believe there is some more momentum to go forward in the month of December. So I believe the trend is still strong. Maybe even the day might start on a slow note tomorrow too, but somewhere 24,550, 24,500 is a very strong support zone from a short-term trading perspective basis Nifty spot. And my belief is that there should be some recovery and the strong momentum pickup once again, once 24,500, 550 zone gets tested. I'm expecting upsides roughly till around 24,850 to 25,000 in this next 5 to 7 trading sessions.
Okay, those are the levels that you're penciling in. But Akshay, tell us, in this market, it was a muted start, but in this market, is there any pocket where you're seeing value? Because banks have done pretty well. HDFC, Kotak, both were lending a lot of support today. That and any other pocket where you see value coming from?
Yes, so I think banking is one sector where the momentum is very strong. It's just that the last 3 days we have seen some bit of a breather in the banking space. But overall, if you look at the bank index, that's the bank Nifty, still all-time high is where this index can head for. That's roughly around 54,300. And if bank Nifty is set to achieve those targets, then it has to be the PSU space which should take the lead. And we have seen a lot of long additions in the derivative space as well, to the likes of State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda. So keep a watch for the PSU space. I believe that should lead the banking index to the all-time high levels, and some pockets in the private space. And HDFC Bank should recover well, along with Kotak Bank, which has been rather muted in this entire move. So I believe these two banks should be looked forward to. Besides the banking pack, you can even keep a look at the IT pack, because that is one sector which has been resilient, been strong. In fact, if you look at today's market, in the last half an hour of trade, we did see a strong momentum surge in most of the IT names. So Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, TCS, some mid-cap IT names. These would all be some of my picks from a short-term momentum catching perspective.
What I understand, Kotak Bank and TCS looking attractive to you, at least from the short term. Thanks, Akshay, for joining us, taking the time out and speaking to us at ET Now. On that note, we'll let you go.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.